I'm Charlie Osaki, and I'm the co-chair of the CalCPA Accounting Education Committee, and along with my co-chair, David Wu, I'm pleased to present the 2020 Accounting Educator of the Year Award. This award is the culmination of 3 months in which any CalCPA member can nominate any instructor from a 2 or 4 year college or university in the state. And I am proud to announce that this year's recipient is Dr. Michael Moore, professor in residence at Loyola Marymount University. Michael Moore has been on the faculty at Colorado State University, the University of Texas, Cal State Fullerton, and at USC, besides where he now teaches at Loyola. In fact, Dr. Moore was the chair at Colorado State University, as well as at UC Riverside. Before I continue on with Michael's accomplishments, let me set vanity aside and put on my reading glasses, just like if we were meeting live. Some of Michael Moore's accomplishments include serving as the president of the American Tax Association. Also, he was the co-author, or is the co-author, of U.S. Tax Aspects of Doing Business Abroad, which is now in its 6th edition, and serving on the editorial board of the International Tax Journal from 1985 to today. But the thing that struck me the most is when I had a chance to talk to those who nominated Michael, both faculty, students, and alumni. And all of them mentioned one word: mentor. The amount of time that Dr. Moore invests in helping his fellow faculty to be better. Some of them, he helps with their research, even though he's not serving on their editorial or quality control board. The number of former students that talked about how he helped them to get started in their careers, especially when they had questions. And those who were practitioners, some of them in the graduate program at Loyola, Cal State Fullerton, and at UC Riverside, and how they went on to tell me that essentially his instruction never stops. That when they came to him with a question, that he helped them to solve it for themselves, just like they did in the classroom, so that they might serve a client on something very complicated. So on behalf of the members of the Accounting Education Committee and members of CalCPA, congratulations, Michael, on a job well done, and for all your contributions to accounting education in California.
Michael Moore here. First, I want to thank the selection committee for its work. There are many outstanding candidates for this award. It is truly an honor to be selected. I also appreciate those individuals who took the time to write nice things about me in a nomination. This award was a long time in the making. I've been involved in accounting education for nearly 50 years and a CPA for over 50 years. Staying with this requires love and commitment. Teachers lose effectiveness when they can no longer relate to their students. If one truly enjoys contact with students and stays current with the technical knowledge and the skills necessary for success, this will never happen. My view has long been that bringing advanced accounting education to the next level was to bring the technical knowledge, research, problem solving, and communication skills required by practice into the classroom. About halfway through my career, I felt the need for a practice boost. Practice was running ahead of me. I left academia and returned to public accounting. During the next 11 years, I was partner in practice, but continued to teach part-time in graduate accounting programs. After these 11 years in public accounting, I was determined to make even more meaningful contributions to graduate programs and to build on experiences at USC and Fullerton in order to help develop programs at UC Riverside and LMU. These programs all emphasize the current knowledge and skills necessary for success in accounting. Staying current with practice for me is accomplished through mentoring current and former students and their colleagues and making myself available for help with technical questions. My compensation is obtaining materials for the classroom that are current, relevant, and challenging. My only caveat is that as a condition, I teach and they learn about these challenging practice areas. Adapting to change in accounting practice has become a challenge. So too are the challenges by faculty to understand the needs of the accounting profession and to stay relevant with current knowledge and skills. This is what I have attempted to do during my career. It is gratifying that these efforts are recognized, and I thank you for this recognition.